Hi, this is Jenny Weiler, Information Systems Technician for Byron Public School District. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create an Apple ID without using any payment information. To start this process, I'm going to go to the App Store from an iPad. So in the App Store, I'll tap on the App Store, and once I'm in here, I'm going to do a search for a free app. In the upper right hand corner, I can tap on the words Search Store, and if I tap in there, I can type. So I'll type in the word free, and then I'll tap on search, and this will bring up a list of apps that are free. We want to make sure that we're choosing a free app because this allows us to create our Apple ID without using any payment information later. You can choose any free app that you want. It will actually not install this app on your device at all. So I'm just going to choose Unblock Me Free here, and I'll tap on the word free, and then I'll tap on Install App. And now it's going to ask me to sign in. And I can either use an existing Apple ID or I can create a new one. And today I want to make sure I create a new Apple ID. Once I'm in here, we're going to go through the verification process. So it's going to ask us for our personal information. So here we make sure it says United States for our store. Next. And on this page, you scroll all the way to the bottom, tap Agree, and agree again. And now on this page, you're going to start entering your personal information. The email address is going to be your Apple ID. So make sure that that email address is the one you want to use. The next section under Apple ID and password is security info. And here we're going to be asked 3 questions. Make sure you write the answers to these questions down. These are questions that will be used to verify your identity in the case that you cannot remember your password. In the next section, it'll ask if you want to use an optional rescue email. This email address is the address that a rescue link would be sent to if you forget your password. So if you have another email address that you want to use here, you can enter that. Otherwise, just go ahead and go down to date of birth and enter that information. Once you're done entering that, it asks if you want to subscribe to emails. I just always turn this off. You're welcome to do whatever you feel comfortable with. And at the bottom, tap Next. Now on this page, it's asking us for billing information, and since we're using this with a free app, we can choose None. So make sure that None is highlighted and check marked, and then you'll go on to fill out your billing information. Now it's asking for a billing address. It's not actually going to be billing us, but they still need our name and our address. So fill that information in. Once we're done filling in our information and our phone number, tap on Next. And now it's going to ask us to verify our account. So what we need to do now is go to the email account that we use to create our Apple ID, and we'll have an email from Apple asking us to sign into our account from a computer. You can also do this from your iPad if you want to go into your email that way. Sometimes the easiest way to do it though is just to go into a computer and log into your email. So I'm going to my email account, and here I can see that I have an email from Apple, and if I tap on that, they're asking me to verify my account now. I'll click on there. That'll take me to their site. So now I'm going to enter my information, and once I'm done, I'll click on Verify Address. And now they'll say my address has been verified. They know I'm a real person, and I can start using my Apple ID. So when I go back onto my iPad, I can tap on Done. And now I could click on that app again, and it'll ask me to sign in with my Apple account. Now I can say use existing Apple ID and sign in. And this is what I will do anytime that I need to download an app. And this is what the students will be doing as well. Anytime that they need to download an app, they'll be asked for that Apple ID.